Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Monrisha School. So, children, in this class we will study English literature. Okay, you will take it out your English literature book and you will mark the spellings that we will continue today. Okay, in previously we have marked the spellings of chapter 3. So, now you will take it out that page only where we have stopped. Okay, so take it out. Okay, children, chapter 3, The North Wind, take it out. See, in previous classes, we have marked this spelling, page number 25 and 26. Okay, I hope that you have started learning also these spellings. Now, in this class, we will mark the spelling of page number 27. So, all of you take it out your book and keep your pencil and start marking the spellings. Okay, so now, first spelling is peace. Okay, number 1, peace. Number 2, found. Number 3, stable. Number 4, behind. Number 5, caught. Okay, number 5, caught. Then rope, around. Okay, slowly, stairs. Now come again here, patted, patted, lowered, dropped. Okay, dropped, paid. Now pillow, after paid you will mark pillow, floor. Okay, now come to section 3, blamed, blamed, cure looking, tightly, woken, screams, opened, running, chased, beaten, cried. See, children, see my finger and mark the spellings. Okay, cried. Now quickly, realized, hidden, barn, kitchen. Okay, done, children. Now turn the page to the last page, means of the chapter. Okay, now see, here you will mark stopped, jumped, picked, leading, glad, happily. Okay, you mark, children. Now we will come to the exercise. Okay, now we will do the exercise of chapter 3. So start. Now see question number 8. Now here we have to do the match the following. Okay, now how we have to do, here is the question and here is the answer given over here. Okay, so we will see now which one is the which answer, which word will we match. Okay, now see here, number 1, anger, angry. Okay, so here question is angry. So now angry, what can be the answer? See from your book, angry. Now who was angry? Yes, the boy was angry. So here you will write number 1. Okay, yes. Now number 2 is ashamed. So who was ashamed? Who was ashamed? Tell me. The north wind was ashamed. Yes, so here you will write number 2. Okay, in option number C you will write number 2. Yes. Now cook. Now cook means supper. So here you will write number 3 in option number A. Okay, now number 4, dark. Now what is dark? Night. See, night is dark. Okay, so here you will write number 4. And number 5 is magical. So magical is tablecloth. Yes, good. Now come to option number B. Okay, means question number B. See, what you have to do is that, sorry, come to question number C. Okay, now listen to your teacher, read out section 3, work in pairs and tick the correct words. Now we, from these questions are from section 3. Okay, so now what we have to do over here, we have to put the correct, means we have to put a tick on the correct option. Okay, so now see, I'll read out a question and you try to tell me the answer. Okay, The boy dashed the north wind. Now option is blamed or praised. So what did the north wind do? That means what did the boy do? The boy blamed the north wind. So you will put here in option number A, you will put tick mark, and blamed you will write over here. Okay. Yes. Now number 2, it was a magic stick. See, here it is magic and here it is ordinary. So it will be magic stick. Yes. Now number 3, the boy understood or misunderstood that the innkeeper had stolen his gifts. So tell me, the boy understood or misunderstood? He understood. So here you will write understood. You will also put the tick mark and write the answers. Okay, because here see space are given here. Okay. Number 4, the innkeeper had kept the ram or tablecloth in the kitchen. What? He has kept tablecloth in the kitchen. And where he has kept the ram? He has kept the ram in the barn. Yes. Now number 5, the stick obeyed the boy's command. Here it is obeyed and disobeyed. So here you will write obeyed because answer is obeyed. Okay. Written children, question A and C you have done. Okay. So now children, till here it will be your homework for today. You will match this, means you will see that you have written it correctly or not, and then you will learn this question number A and C because you have read the chapter, you have understood the chapter. Okay, so now you will start learning these all. Okay, first understand and then start learning. Okay, and in my next class I will give you others exercise. Okay, and also one thing you will do is that turn the page to page number 32. What you will do is that you see use capital letters, full stop, question mark or exclamation mark where needed, and rewrite the sentences correctly in your notebook. Now what you will do is that you will solve this in your notebook, question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Till 4 you will solve. Okay, and in my next class I'll give you the answers for this. Okay, so students, you will do this your homework in your notebook, means in your copy. Okay, write the question and then the answer. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.